My video guide will give you instructions that will help you to remove the adware type program called SmartTransaction. SmartTransaction is an adware type application that our research team discovered while reviewing new submissions to the VirusTotal database. We also found out that SmartTransaction program belongs to the Adload adware family. So this is the location of SmartTransaction on a specific Mac computer. Adware called SmartTransaction may require certain conditions to run intrusive advertisement campaigns. For instance, if the browser or system or user geographical location are incompatible, customers do not visit specific websites and they don't see any ads. But if there are certain requirements that are met, then this adware starts displaying ads and running intrusive advertisement campaigns. Regardless of whether advertisements are displayed or not, the presence of the adware on the system endangers the device integrity and the user privacy. So if you have seen that this SmartTransaction has become the part of your Mac, right-click on it and move this application to the trash. I also recommend you to carefully research your computer, your Mac computer, with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner using this green download button, install the software, and start researching the system with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. The trial mode has got several absolutely free features that can already help you optimize the speed and performance of your Mac computer. The free features are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. First of all, the program will update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. After the anti-malware database is successfully updated and after these databases are installed, click on Start Combo Scan button that is integrated into the program. So start Combo Scan and begin the research of your system. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting and deleting the majority of threats that currently circulate all over the cyber world today. By the way, there is a version both for Windows and for Mac computers. But speaking about SmartTransaction adware, this is the adware that is attacking Mac computers only. So then the program Combo Cleaner will begin scanning and researching your system. You will see the detailed report about the threats that were found during the scan. You may click on Review Results. You'll be able to know the locations of these threats. You may remove some of them manually, but we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to Premium in order to make sure that your Mac is always protected against malware attacks in the future.